Yo, what's good, guys? So today I'm gonna be breaking down how I caught this absolutely insane buys. Yes, it looks pretty sick. Doesn't look like ICC. Yes, I'll explain why. Cause I don't know. I feel like it was also kind of a fluke. Not gonna lie, it was also kind of a fluke. A little bit, just a little bit. And yeah, let's get into the breakdown. I'm currently in this trade on my MT5, my prop firm. I don't know if y'all can see this clearly. Let me check. Yeah. So hold on. Yeah. I'm currently in this almost at TP. Currently running out for me. And yeah, let's get into the breakdown, bro. I'm so happy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, fuck emotions, bro. I'm happy. I'm happy with this trade. Like this trade, boy, boy. Let's just get into the video, man. Anyways, let me use a different. Oh shit. So as you already know, we're currently above this level right here. We're currently trying to get above this level right here. Mark it out with purple. And we're in this little buy, right? This is the last 4 hour buy. Before we broke this high. So now we're looking for to buy from below this level. Back all the way up here. Boom. Right? I remember we still have all-time highs somewhere here. Make that like what? Make that fat. Cool. So now you know that when price came back below here, which was here, we go down to the 1 hour. Price closed below it. On the 30 minutes. Price gave us our first push above. First push above right here or here. Anyone you want to count, first push above, retrace and push back above. Boom. So you could have literally entered off of here like this. 1, 2. Of course, you're going stopped out, as you can see. Then you could have entered somewhere here. But anywho, sorry, I'm getting distracted. Let's get into this trade and why I took this trade. So seeing that price was doing some bullshit over here, I noticed that price formed a very strong level around this area. Like price never went to break it. Right? Cool. So here, this is a mini downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Price gave us a mini indication about this level. Right? Cool. To buy back above it. Then, as you can see on the 1 hour, price eventually came back into here, closed within this level right here. 1, 2, boom, enter, clean. You'd have gone stopped out, but at least price to play through. And this was what New York session, I guess, yeah, exactly. So, boom, price played through, give us another indication. So now I'm marking out what this level. I always mark on my level on the 4 hour. Unless I'm doing like some advanced shit, but like, yeah, always on the 4 hour to be honest. So I was aiming to buy again from here to in here, but I was also anticipating that if price closed above this purple level on the 4 hour, I was going to hold all the way to all-time highs. Now, boom, let's get into here. So this was the last place price when price closed into this level right here. This is the level I tried to close within. We want price to close within this level, right? Cool. Price eventually closed within this level on the 1 hour. I scaled down to my 15 minute this time, not gonna lie. Like, I used my 15 minutes this time because right now I've been trying to scale my trades into lower time frames to see how I can get a higher RR, because right now I feel like I've kind of really understood 30 minutes and I want to scale down even more to see if I can understand the lower time frames. So basically, price eventually sold all the way to here, stopped, and bought the way back here, boom. So I marked out those two levels. I marked this out at the time, I marked this out, and I marked this out. Cool. I wait for price to break above this, and that would be my main indication to enter buys, but price didn't. So I was still looking. So eventually price did give me a break below this level, came up, boom, gave me an indication above this level again, because you know when it breaks, I'm looking for another breakout before I continue selling, but price didn't give me that. Price bounced off this level and broke this high. So my initial guess was that, okay, if price, because remember what I said about price forming something like this, no, price is trending bearish right now, but if price creates an indication within the level, it's always going to clear that high, like I told you in my last video. So if you notice, where the price do that, right here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm expecting price to close to clear out this high and potentially close above it, right? Cool. So price eventually comes here, gives me a little retreat and gives me another bullish push. So I enter right here on this candle. This is my first position. I entered right here on this candle. I put my stop loss just kind of below the level, like here. My stop loss here. So as you can see, price came to drawdown and pushed up above the level like I wanted, and I was happy that, okay, yeah, we got that indication. But price didn't close above this. At the time I was targeting it here. Price didn't come above this, that's why I got stopped out right here. Boom, got stopped out, right? Cool. Now we're approaching New York session. This was 8:30 New York session, and I marked out this level as the last major place price sold off of, and price have been buying back to this level, because price eventually sold, buy, and just keeps buying back to this level. Couldn't break past this level. So I already told myself that, okay, if price gave me that first indication above this level, and price is clearly showing me that it wants to go bullish, price is not going to break this level in any way, shape, or form. Price can come back to this level, sure, but price has already given me an indication above this level. Because if we look here, because we look at this, sorry, let me delete this. If you look at this candle right here, this was the indication, continuation right here, boom. So when price eventually came back, I was like, okay, you know what, price has already shown me that it wants to go bullish above this level, and I have a very strong feeling that it's not going to sell below here, because it has formed a higher high, higher low, higher high, sort of higher low. So I was like, okay, price is pretty bullish. So I felt like I was going to wick, if anything, to this zone if you want to come here. So eventually the price was selling off hard, and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm going to just fucking pull the trigger. I entered right here, put my stop loss just a little bit below, and I aimed all the way for here. This was my first TP actually. I only took one position, funny enough. But when price was around here, I was thinking, I was like, God, should I like, I kid you not, guys, I'm not even joking. I was like, God, should I close this trade? Like, God, tell me something. Should I close this trade? I closed my laptop, I knelt down, I prayed, I said, God, please, show me something. If you want me to close this trade, tell me, show me something, show me something. I need something. Show me something. And if you want me to leave this trade holding, then don't show me anything. I couldn't see anything. Nothing was telling me that price wanted to sell. I can't lie, this heavy bullish candle kind of was like swaying me a little bit, but I was like, nah, like bro, relax. You got this. Like, this is not the sign. This is just manipulation. Price tries to manipulate you. So as price did that, price gave us this bullish candle. I closed my NT5, walked away. Saw price close above here on the 1 hour. I remember exactly, price closed right here on the 1 hour. I was like, we are fucking in. Held my trade, price just kept pumping and pumping. And right now I'm aiming for 295 because that's a level I need to pass my profit account in one trade, literally one trade. Like I took one trade to pass this account. It's a 25 RR. Okay, no, that actually was 25 RR. I think it was a little bit fatter. Yeah, it's 19. That's pretty accurate. But like, yeah, this is how I go into the trade, man. Like, it's a bit confusing because I don't know. This one was a bit of luck, not gonna lie. This one was a bit of luck. Like, it was a W gamble, but at the same time it wasn't, because ideally in ICC we know that this level price already formed a higher high, a higher low here. So there was no reason for price to come and break this level unless we want to continue bearish and clear this all out. And considering price, this was the lowest point for us sellers. I knew price is not trying to break through any of this anymore. So I was pretty confident. I was like, nah, this has to hold. Like, this is gonna hold. I just took it, bro. Like, this is insane. I wish I could like publish this trade on the newspaper. Like, genuinely, this is probably one of my best trades ever. No drawdown whatsoever. Like, zero drawdown. Damn. I feel like Powell trades. But yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching. Let me give you guys another trade breakdown. I took another trade on USD Sorry, this video is longer than I wanted it to be, but I know you guys are going to love this trade breakdown. Anyways, oh yeah, these buys are still holding. Haha. So I took a sell on USD JPY this morning. Went to my 4 hour, marked out this here, the high and low actually, but went to the 1 hour, saw that was a valid high and low. I was expecting price to break above this level, but price didn't. Price just wicked it, so I drew a box to mark out that zone so that I am aware. So when price gave this candle close within this hammer, you guys, candlestick patterns are actually quite important as well. I noticed this when I backtest, but that's a video for another day. But yeah, give me this bearish hammer. I think that's the name. And I switched down to my 30 minutes so that, okay, price is price closed within here, reacted off this level to keep pulling bearish, and this was another hammer, bearish hammer. So I was like, you know what, I think I might just hop in. I think I even scaled out to 15 minutes. Yeah, exactly, 15 minutes. This was another level. Price clearly couldn't break past this level, tried to go above, gave me a sell-off. So when price came back within here, I entered and sold all the way down here. The reason why I entered right here was because I watched a video last night by Romel Trades. His something weak source theory, some shit like that, and he taught us a very interesting concept to trade ICC, and I just tried to apply it today, and it worked like perfect, like you can see. So I won't be explaining how I generally got into that one, but it's pretty obvious, man. Like, come on. High, low, high, low, high, lower, low, higher, lower, high, lower, low. Come on, price is very bearish. The price broke below this level. When it came back into here, I sold again. I put my stop loss right here. So I actually took 2 trades, I remember now. But this is like early as hell in the morning. That's the reason I'm just remembering right now like this. But once price came to the value gap, I took this trade. Because remember what I said about fair value gaps and indications below the level. So all the way to here. So this was a 3 and a 4. That's 7 RR. So today was pretty good, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Today was good. Today was good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm actually so happy. Can't lie. Today was actually so good. But yeah, let's see what the rest of the week has planned for us. Not gonna lie, once gold hits my TP, I'm probably done for the year. I'm going to be trading my other platform account to try and pass it, because my goal to enter the year was to enter with 2 funded accounts, so we get paid from the beginning of the year. Remember, 2026 is our year, first year being rich. Y'all remember this video? Like, y'all that tapped in early, you remember this video when we're up, when I'm in my bravos. Don't worry. 2026, first year being rich. Mark my words. Y'all should tap in. Alright, in a bit, guys. We'll see in a bit.